Welcome! In this video, I'll show you exactly how to find all the shared videos inside any community on the Telegram app using your PC with the latest update. Whether you're catching up on old posts or looking for something specific, this quick guide will make it simple and clear. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. You can either use the desktop version or open it via Telegram web. Both work perfectly for this method. Once the app loads, take a moment to make sure you're logged into your account. Next, find the community you want to check. This could be a group, channel, or any community where multiple people share content. You can use the search bar at the top left to type the name of the community or scroll through your chat list until you find it. Once you do, click on it to open the conversation window. Now, look at the top of the chat window and click on the community's name. This will open the information panel, the place where all shared content is neatly organized. You'll notice different tabs or sections inside this info panel, such as media, files, links, and more. Here's the key step. Click on videos. This section will display every video that's been shared within that community, whether it's a short clip, a tutorial, or a long recording. The videos appear in order, usually from newest to oldest. You can scroll down to find older ones, or hover over a thumbnail to get a preview if the feature is enabled. From here, you can play any video directly, download it to your computer, or forward it to another chat or saved messages for later. It's a great way to quickly locate what you need without endlessly scrolling through chat history. And that's it. You've just discovered how to find all shared videos in a Telegram community on PC using the new update. If you found this helpful, stay tuned for more easy Telegram tips like this one.